Very good. We have Mr. André Sincere opening in the box right now. He just received his shoe. Is the loafer.
Oh yes, I love it. I like the color.
Very good.
And that's the one I've been waiting for.
Very good.
Really
Long, very good. I'm glad that you like it.
Try on.
Yes, yes sir. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Perfect.
My goodness.
And I just brought a brand new sock.
Brand new sock too?
Yeah.
Very good. I like it. Very good. Well,
and I want you to order one point that we have for it.
okay.
I mean it.
Okay, no problem. I can have it delivered to him in less than 10 days.
I have a price.
Very good. Very good. Thank you so much, Brother. All right, it's been a pleasure. What an experience. This concludes our special shoe delivery for today. Listen, if you would like to have an experience like this, all you need to do is click on the link below, go to IMMUNITYFootwear.com and order your shoes now. It's the chance to get your shoe delivered by either your shoe or someone from my team. Go ahead and do that right now. Remember, at IMMUNITY Footwear, it's more than a transaction. It's a connection. Bye for now.